I've always said that good food doesn't have to be complicated, and today I'm going to be true to my word. We're going to show you how to make a flavorful, velvety split pea with ham soup. And it's easy to make, and it's a one-pot wonder because we're doing it all in one pot, and that's going to make cleanup easy. Are you ready? Let's go. Whether it's fresh ingredients or holiday leftovers, we're going to make some magic today. Let's take a look at some of our fresh ingredients. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of diced ham, 1 yellow or sweet onion chopped, 3 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 pound of dried split green peas, 8 cups of chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, an optional ingredient, 1 bay leaf, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to get busy chopping these.
Let's get cooking.
We begin by adding the olive oil. Let that come up to temperature, and then we're going to add the ham. We'll cook this for about 10 minutes. We want to get the ham a good golden brown. Next thing we're going to add our vegetables. First thing is going to be the onion, and then we're going to do the carrot, and then we'll do the celery. Give it a good stir. Now this you want to cook until the vegetables become tender. So we'll leave this for another 5 to 10 minutes or so. We'll keep our eye on it. And with our vegetables softened, we go ahead and put in the garlic. We'll give this a cook for about 1 minute. While this is cooking, great time to rinse and drain your split peas. Let's add the peas. And then we're going to go ahead and add the stock. And of course, our bay leaf. And the thyme. Have you got the thyme? I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. I had to say something corny, so there it was. I'm also going to give the bottom of the pan a little bit of a scrape, so that way we're deglazing the pan. We're going to bring this up to boiling. With the soup boiling, we're going to go ahead and turn down the heat a little bit and let it simmer for about an hour to an hour and a half. Well, an hour and 20 minutes later, and look what we have. We have some delicious soup. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to try this. I was in such a hurry to eat, I forgot to shoot the end of the show. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give us a like, and by all means, please subscribe.